What if the currency that dominates the world was about to face its final battle? The US dollar, the shogun of global trade, now under siege. An invisible enemy lurks in the shadows, a secret alliance of 5 nations, the BRICS. Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. And their weapon is no ordinary coin. It is a scroll of strategies, a shukuren, a plan that could alter the course of history. Stay until the very end, young apprentice, for I will reveal the one secret that may protect your wealth from the coming chaos. Otherwise, you may be just another victim in the Cold War of trade. Long ago, in feudal Japan, power was simple. Clans traded rice for swords, silk for horses. Wealth was tangible, felt in the palm of one's hand, measured in weight and in honor. But over time, a supreme shogun rose above all others, the dollar. For decades, it ruled across all lands. It imposed its laws. It forced nations, great and small, to bow before it. The dollar was more than money. It was a weapon. It decided who could trade, who would prosper, and who would be cast into the shadows. But where there is absolute power, there is always resistance. In the 21st century, Washington used the dollar as a sword, freezing assets, crippling nations like Iran, Russia, Venezuela. That was the final drop of blood. The BRICS formed, a brotherhood representing most of the world's population, and together they declared, no more serving one throne. Who would lead this revolt? A silent master, a shinobi, the BRICS Bank. At a secret gathering in Johannesburg, they unveiled their plan. Not a bomb, not an army, but a payment system. And perhaps a new currency, backed not only by paper, but by real assets, gold, oil, and wealth that can be held, touched, trusted. Imagine a network with no middleman. China buys oil directly from Russia in yuan. India pays Brazil in rupees. All instant, all bypassing the shogun. But the dollar does not fall quietly. It still commands 60% of global reserves, a fortress of trust built over decades. And the BRICS are divided within. China seeks dominance. India mistrusts its neighbor. Brazil and South Africa face instability. Meanwhile, Saudi Arabia hesitates. Which side deserves its loyalty? 2 fronts, 2 battles, one against America, another within themselves. But what does this mean for you? If the dollar weakens, your power as a consumer may be cut in half. Inflation could spread like wildfire. Debt, groceries, fuel, all beyond reach. Yet the BRICS also face danger. If their weapon fails, if their currency collapses, the rebellion ends in smoke. The war is only beginning. And so, the Money Ninja offers 5 teachings to survive. 1. Do not keep all eggs in one basket. Diversify your wealth. Hold gold, hold silver. They serve no master. 2. Study the battlefield. Understand sanctions, alliances, negotiations. Knowledge is your armor. 3. Beware of false masters. Anyone promising instant fortune is a trap. 4. Protect your digital sword. Guard your assets from hackers and thieves. And 5. Remember, true power does not belong to the dollar, nor to the BRICS. True power is wisdom. These lessons sharpen your sword, but now hear the hidden secret. Before you trust any currency, ask who controls it, what makes it strong. If the answer is only the power of a shogun, run. But this tale is far from over. The BRICS are studying a mysterious weapon born in Brazil, PIX, a payment system that transformed South America. Soon, it may fuel their new empire of trade. And in the next scroll, another art will be revealed, the art of compound interest. It may not look like a sword, but in patient hands, it is the most faithful ally of all. So sharpen your sword, calm your mind, and prepare. These words are for education only, not financial, legal, or tax advice. Investing always carries risk. But remember this: empires fall, currencies rise and fade. The warrior with wisdom will always endure.
And apprentice, if you wish to sharpen your blade even further, I have left in the description ancient scrolls of financial wisdom. These are not promises of easy wealth, but teachings respected around the world. Among them, one scroll stands out, Beyond Candlesticks by Steve Nison, a legendary work unveiling the secrets of Japanese charting techniques, followed by traders for decades. Alongside it, you will also find other powerful resources that I will not name here. Secret weapons waiting to be discovered by those who truly seek mastery. Use this wisdom with discipline and persistence. And remember, true freedom is won not by chance, but by knowledge.